Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a new Kinemaster project and selecting the correct aspect ratio so subtitles align properly. Import the main video, audio track, and any transcript you prepared. This saves time later. Once done, make quick trims to remove dead space and lock the primary video layer to prevent accidental edits. Make sure to set playback quality to normal for smoother scrubbing. This helps you place subtitle timings accurately as you move into the next step. You now add subtitles by tapping layer, then text, creating a new text box for each caption. Split the video or move the text layer edges so each subtitle appears exactly when the dialogue starts and ends. Precise timing prevents overlap and improves readability. Adjust font size, weight, color contrast, and add a subtle semi-opaque background if needed so text reads over complex footage. Once consistent styles are set, copy settings to new layers to maintain a uniform look throughout the video. You finish by previewing the entire video to catch timing mistakes, typos, and legibility problems under different scenes. Export at your target resolution and inspect the final file to ensure subtitles are sharp and correctly burned in. Lower bitrate can blur small text. If you find sync issues, reopen the project, zoom the timeline waveform for frame-accurate placement, and nudge text layers by small increments. A final tip: save periodically and keep a backup project copy in case edits corrupt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.